Everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection system installed. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. You have the again the 347 stroker, power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, proper timing cover for the 89 Bronco and water pump, brand new balancer, proper oil pan, rear sump oil pan, oil stick and tube, aluminum heads are on there, all the made in USA Taylor ignition wires with the wire markers installed, roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, Holley Sniper fuel injection systems on there, throttle cable ball, throttle return spring and bracket. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. The Holley Sniper system will be completely dialed in, all the menu settings set, plug and play, ready to go for the customer. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand with all the readings, manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, distributor timing set, ready to go. We also installed the proper flex plate for the customer's AOD transmission, proper tooth count and balance. So this way you get it complete, ready to go. Give us a call, 1-800-326-6554 when you're ready to buy, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.